making my friend a basket. It's a little rainbow. Got the basket from the Container Store. It's so cute. I initially got a butterfly basket, but I thought this would go better. So I took the butterfly basket back. This is so stinking cute. Look at that. Get into it. To go along with this, I have red, like rainbow colored tissue paper. So I have this. And I have a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna do like a whole haul as I put everything in. Okay. So number one, we have the cocoa butter powder scented lotion for the baby. We have Palmer's cocoa butter firming butter for the mama, the baby's mommy. We have some towels. They're hooded towels. I love hooded towels. Hooded towels from Carter. They're on sale. I had another hooded towel I got from Nordstrom. Just a little bit heavier. So stick that in there. Got a pack of onesies, a $6.99. They're $5 at Walmart. I think that's a little sale too. I got these. I love these brand diapers. And they're a little bit cheaper, but they're big. So I think these are like $3. Got that. Then I got the Pampers Amore. They came in a box, but the box is too bulky to go into this, so I had to take them out. But they're doing like a free trial, so this was free. Got it from Target. You can't see them, like I'm in the sunlight. But yeah, I gave you $5. I got it for my girl. So this is Noodle and Boo. Noodle and Boo. A little trial size thing. So there's that. I don't know how I'm gonna put this in there. It might just fall to the bottom. Got the, I don't know how you pronounce this, but Lanisol. This is a really good brand. I got her like the nipple pads, the nursing pads. So yeah, stick that in there. Got some washcloths. I got it from Target. Tuck some of this stuff. I got Liquid IV, mango flavor. Yeah. This is for like after she has a baby, when she starts breastfeeding. So. Then I got nursing bags, 4 ounces. I got mother's milk, tea. Sorry, I hope I just fit. I got the cocoa butter and a little powder scent. It smells really good. Even if the baby can't use it, like the mom can use it, because it smells really good. So yeah, I try to feel like it. So some of this stuff, like, these are like essential maybe for like the hospital or just in general. Our purchase, you know, for those late night, early mornings, some Lysol wipes, with Walter. I don't know, somebody can. Dollar Tree, child, Dollar Tree. Well, I think these are from Target, so. I got this from a Nordstrom for her, you know, in case she has like postpartum shedding and she can spray it in there. They had really good reviews, so got her that. Got her little hand lotion. Little hand lotion. Palmer's is a thing. I can keep it in my hand. Oh yeah. I don't know, in case she wants to look cute. Yeah, I don't know. Family vacation. I don't know. That'd be cute. Let me see. I'm gonna stick this in. How am I going? Okay. I did get a little outfit. I got this from Nordstrom Rack. This little Tommy Hilfiger little onesie. It's 18 months, so yeah. Next year. I thought it was cute. Race it in that chair. Whew. Okay. I got this little set from Old Navy. This is so cute with little shirt and shorts. And I got this, I think, 12, 18 months. So cute. And this is a little cyst on it. So cute. Like it's like a little onesie. Try to tuck this in somewhere, child. Then they said these were good for like postpartum and milk production. So go ahead, add that in here. Don't switch them up, child. Some shower caps. It's like her first shower. Some hair ties. Again, just can't go wrong with it. And these little Baker fig bars. I had to take them out of the box. I'm gonna stick them all over the place. coupon. Alright, in case you want to see it. And so, this is the final result. It's a cute. Oh my god. Okay, I think I found my new family setup. So cute. But yeah, that's it. Rainbow basket. Again, I got that from the Container Store. And yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye.